The Ricoh Pro C9200 series is a digital printer specifically designed to maximize production and performance. New technologies provide improved color image consistency and print quality. The intermediate transfer belt creates a smooth graduated image. Ricoh's unique automatic quality control technologies ensure high color consistency both within and between pages. Automatic adjustment of the laser printing ensures controlling of color consistency and the toner distribution amount, including that of halftones. New auto-color diagnosis technology detects and adjusts for subtle color fluctuations in the actual printed image to maintain high color consistency. Swing and shift registration is a new technology. A high accuracy of image registration is obtained on both sides, adjusting the position of the paper along its side edge. The printer handles a wide variety of substrates, including textured media, envelopes, carbonless paper. The printer handles paper sizes up to 1260 millimeters in simplex mode and 1030 millimeters duplex, offering clients more opportunities to expand their application capability. Up to 1,000 media brands can be registered. This enables easy printing by ensuring optimal machine settings according to the type of paper used. The calibration and adjustment of the image position on both sides before printing can now be done automatically. The Ricoh Pro C9200 series is fast. It can print up to 135 pages per minute, regardless of the media weight. It can even print up to 9,000 pages per hour. The combination of multiple paper feed units and stackers enable continuous printing to maximize productivity. The Ricoh Pro C9200 series is Ricoh's flagship model. It operates with stability at overwhelming speed.